Hello, this is my online teacher YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video lesson is uploaded. Our lesson is about subtracting mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions. The objectives of this lesson are subtract mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions, solve real-life math problems involving subtractions of fractions from mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions. Here is a sample. During the regional athletic meet, Khalil threw the discus to a distance of 18 and 1/2 meters. This is 1 3/4 meters more than his record last year. What was his record in the discus throw last year? So to answer this, let us follow the steps. 18 and 1/2 minus 1 and 3/4 equals n. Compare the fractions, step 1 and step 2, express them as similar fractions by finding their LCD. So first we have to align our fractions, 18 and 1/2 minus 1 and 3/4. And now, let us find the LCD since our set of fractions are dissimilar fractions. So what do you think is the LCD of 2 and 4? Correct, it's number 4. Now, let us divide the denominators by the LCD and multiply the quotient by the numerators. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3 is 3. Step 3. Subtract the fractions. Rename the minuend when its fraction is less than that in the subtrahend. So, 2/4 minus 3/4, or 18 and 2/4 minus 3/4. So since our minuend, third step is subtract the fractions. Rename the minuend when its fraction is less than that in the subtrahend. So, since our minuend 2 is lesser than 3, let us borrow 1 from 18. And 18 becomes 17. And let us add another fraction with our minuend. So let us use 4 as the numerator and let us use 4 as the denominator. We can now proceed with the addition of the two fractions. So since our set of fractions are already similar fractions, let us just copy the denominator 4. And let us add the numerators. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And copy the denominator 17. And let us copy the subtrahend 1 and 3/4. So since our set of fractions are already similar fractions, let us copy number 4. And let us subtract 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. And let us now subtract the whole numbers. That is step 4. 17 minus 1 is 16. So remember the fifth step. Reduce the difference to the lowest terms whenever possible. Here are more examples. Let us subtract 10 and 7/8 and 4 and 3/4. Since our set of fractions are dissimilar fractions, let us find their LCD. So what is the LCD of 8 and 4? Correct, it's number 8. So let us now divide the denominator and the LCD and multiply the quotient to the numerators. So 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 times 7, 7. 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3, it's number 6. So, since our minuend is greater than with the subtrahend, we can now proceed to the subtraction of the numerator and the denominator. So since our set of fractions are similar fractions, let us just copy the denominator 8. And let us subtract 7 and 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And do not forget to subtract our whole numbers. 10 minus 4 is 6. So if your answer is the same with 6 and 1/8, you got it right. But let us now try a harder one. Number 2. 12 and 1/6 minus 8 and 4/5. Since our set of fractions are dissimilar fractions, let us find their LCD. What is the LCD of 6 and 5? Wow, you got it right. It's number 30. Let us divide the LCD by the denominator and multiply the quotient to the numerator. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5 times 1 is 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6 times 4 is 24. So now let's compare the minuend with the subtrahend. Since the minuend is lesser than in the subtrahend, we have to borrow 1 from 12. And 12 now becomes 11. And we have to add another fraction similar to the denominator of our new set of fractions, which is 30. Let us use 30 as the numerator and denominator. And now we can now proceed adding the two similar fractions. So since they are already similar fractions, we can copy the denominator 30 and proceed to addition of the numerators. 5 plus 30 is equal to 35. And let us just copy the whole number 11. Okay, so now we can subtract the 2. Since they are similar fractions, we can just copy the denominator 30. And then let's subtract 35 minus 24. So 35 minus 24 is equal to 11. And let's subtract our whole numbers. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Don't forget to reduce the difference into lowest terms whenever possible. However, since our difference is already at its lowest term, no need to do that. So the final answer is 3 and 11, 30. Now, try this. Try to answer 21 and 5/9 minus 13 and 1/4 equals n in 1 minute. Your timer starts now. Alright, so now let us answer this together. Let's see if your answer is correct. Let us align the fractions. 21 and 5 5 nines minus 13 and 1/4. Right. So since our denominator, the fractions are dissimilar fractions, let us find the LCD of our denominators. So what do you think is the LCD of 9 and 4? If your answer is 36, you got it right. Okay, so let us divide our LCD by the denominator and multiply the quotient by the numerator. So 36 divided by 9 is 4 times 5 is 20. And 36 divided by 4 is 9 times 1, it's 9. Now, let us compare. Alright, since our minuend is greater than with our subtrahend, no need to borrow from 21. And now, we can proceed with subtracting our set of fractions. So since our set of fractions are similar fractions, let us just copy the denominator 36 and subtract our numerators. 20 minus 11 or 9 is equal to 11. And let's subtract the whole number 21 and 13. 21 minus 13 is equal to 8. And let's see if we can still reduce our difference to lowest term. So I think our difference is already at its lowest terms. No need to do that. Okay, so for your assignment, answer this. 17 and 3, 20 minus 11 and 1, 8 equals n. So that's all for my online teacher YouTube channel. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson for today, which is subtracting mixed numbers with dissimilar fractions. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video lesson is uploaded. Good day and happy learning!